Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Wisdom for Healthy Living. If you're struggling with kidney issues or looking for natural ways to restore kidney health, you're in the right place. Did you know that the kidneys play a vital role in keeping your body healthy by filtering toxins and balancing essential nutrients? However, poor lifestyle choices, diet, dehydration, and diseases like diabetes and high blood pressure can damage the kidneys over time. In today's video, I'll reveal powerful natural remedies to help you restore your kidneys in just 21 days. These remedies will help you naturally detox, nourish, and strengthen your kidneys. Stay with me until the end because I'll be sharing an extraordinary herbal remedy that has been used for centuries to heal kidney-related issues. Before we begin, please share this video, click the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on natural health solutions. Now, let's dive in. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located just below the ribcage, one on each side of the spine. Their main function is the kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from the blood to maintain overall body health. They help balance essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium for proper bodily functions. The kidneys produce hormones that regulate blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. They play a crucial role in making red blood cells by producing erythropoietin. The kidneys maintain the body's pH balance by regulating acid and alkaline levels. When your kidneys are damaged, they cannot perform these functions properly, leading to toxins building up in your blood. This can cause serious health issues such as swelling in the legs and hands occurs when the kidneys fail to remove excess fluid, causing fluid retention and puffiness in these areas. Fatigue and weakness result from the kidneys' inability to filter toxins properly, leading to a buildup of waste that affects energy levels and overall well-being. High blood pressure develops when damaged kidneys struggle to regulate fluid and sodium balance, causing increased pressure on blood vessels and straining the heart. Changes in urination, such as foamy, dark, or less frequent urination, indicate kidney dysfunction, as the organs fail to filter waste and maintain fluid balance properly. When you do not drink enough water, your kidneys are forced to work harder, which increases their strain and may lead to long-term damage. High blood pressure can seriously damage the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste effectively. Excess sugar in the bloodstream, commonly associated with diabetes, gradually damages the kidney's filtering system, impairing its ability to remove toxins from the body. Consuming a diet high in salt, sugar, and processed foods burdens the kidneys, making them more susceptible to damage and disease. Frequent use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, can harm kidney tissues over time, potentially leading to reduced kidney function or even kidney failure. The good news is that your kidneys can heal naturally if you make the right lifestyle changes. Now, let's dive into the first step. Water is the most effective natural remedy for restoring kidney function. It helps flush out toxins, dissolve kidney stones, and prevent harmful infections. Individuals who sweat excessively or engage in regular exercise should increase their water intake to compensate for fluid loss and maintain hydration. Warm lemon water is an excellent drink for kidney health because it helps flush out waste from the body and creates an alkaline environment. Coconut water is highly beneficial for kidney health, as it provides essential electrolytes and helps keep the body properly hydrated. Cucumber juice is a natural diuretic, helping remove excess fluids from the body while supporting kidney function and detoxification. Certain foods naturally promote kidney health by reducing inflammation and enhancing function, making them essential for kidney repair and overall well-being. Apples are rich in fiber, help lower cholesterol levels, and support kidney detoxification by removing harmful toxins from the body. Berries, including blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries, contain powerful antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage and oxidative stress. Cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli, help eliminate toxins from the body, reducing kidney strain. Lemons and citrus fruits contain citric acid, which reduces calcium buildup and helps prevent kidney stones from forming. Nuts and seeds, such as flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds, provide healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Here are the top 5 herbs that support kidney function. Here's a revised and more practical explanation of how each herb helps restore damaged kidneys. Nettle leaf for kidney repair. Nettle leaf tea or extract helps cleanse the kidneys by increasing urine output, which flushes out harmful toxins. It also contains antioxidants that reduce kidney inflammation, prevent further damage, and promote tissue repair. Drinking nettle tea daily can support kidney recovery. Dandelion root for kidney detox. Dandelion root tea stimulates kidney function by increasing urine production, which helps remove excess waste and toxins. It also reduces water retention and swelling, easing pressure on the kidneys. Consuming dandelion root tea or supplements daily can aid kidney regeneration. Turmeric for kidney protection. Turmeric, especially its active compound curcumin, reduces kidney inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to kidney damage. Mixing turmeric with warm water or adding it to meals can help prevent further deterioration and promote healing. Astragalus for kidney strengthening. Astragalus root tea or supplements improve kidney function by enhancing immunity and increasing blood flow to the kidneys. This helps prevent infections and supports the regeneration of damaged kidney tissues, making it beneficial for chronic kidney disease patients. Parsley for kidney cleansing. Parsley tea or juice acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess sodium and toxins from the kidneys. This reduces fluid retention and supports balanced blood pressure, which is crucial for restoring kidney health. Regular consumption can aid in kidney recovery. Some natural supplements can also support kidney treatment and healing. Here's how each of these supplements helps explicitly restore damaged kidneys and how they should be used for optimal results. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce kidney inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. They also improve blood flow to the kidneys and help manage conditions like high blood pressure, which can worsen kidney damage. Take 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of high-quality fish oil or flaxseed oil daily, preferably with meals. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 helps regenerate damaged kidney cells, supports energy production in the kidneys, and reduces oxidative stress. It has improved kidney function in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Take 100 to 300 milligrams of CoQ10 daily, divided into 2 doses, preferably with food for better absorption. Magnesium. Magnesium helps prevent kidney stones, reduces calcium buildup in the kidneys, and balances electrolytes, which are essential for proper kidney function. It also helps regulate blood pressure, reducing strain on the kidneys. Take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate or citrate daily with water to support kidney repair. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial in reducing kidney inflammation, preventing calcium imbalances, and supporting overall kidney function. Deficiency in vitamin D is linked to worsening kidney disease. Take 1,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, preferably with a meal containing healthy fats for better absorption. Incorporating these supplements into your routine, alongside a kidney-friendly diet and proper hydration, supports kidney healing and restores function over time. Carrying out these simple kidney detox plan helps to prevent or restore damaged kidneys and keeps you healthy always. Restoring damaged kidneys requires a natural detox approach that helps flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve overall kidney function. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to further cleanse and heal the kidneys. Start your morning with lemon water. Lemon water is a powerful natural cleanser that helps flush out toxins, maintain pH balance, and improve kidney function. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent kidney stones and reduces kidney inflammation. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink it on an empty stomach every morning. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to maintain its detoxifying effect. Drink green juices such as cucumber, celery, parsley, ginger, lemon. Green juices contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support kidney repair and detoxification. Each of these ingredients plays a key role. Cucumber. Act as natural diuretics, helping to flush out excess fluids and toxins. Parsley. Supports kidney function by reducing toxin buildup and preventing kidney stone formation. Ginger. Has anti-inflammatory properties that protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Lemon. Helps alkalize the body and prevent the formation of kidney stones. Blend 1/2 cucumbers, 2 celery stalks, a handful of parsley, 1 inch of ginger, and half a lemon with 1 cup of water. Drink it fresh in the morning or between meals for the best detox effect. High sodium intake causes water retention and increases blood pressure, stressing the kidneys. Refined sugars contribute to inflammation and worsen kidney disease. Therefore, you can follow these steps to prevent your kidneys to eliminate fast foods, canned foods, and packaged snacks that contain preservatives and additives. Limit salt intake by using natural herbs and spices for flavoring instead of table salt. Reduce sugar consumption by avoiding soft drinks, processed desserts, and artificial sweeteners. Increase whole, natural foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Your kidneys will gradually detoxify, heal, and regain normal function by consistently following these 3 steps. Do you know there's castor oil therapy for kidney treatment and restoration? 1. Take a clean cloth and soak it thoroughly in warm castor oil for complete absorption. 2. Gently place the soaked cloth over the kidney area on your lower back for treatment. 3. Cover the cloth with a warm towel and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. 4. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times weekly for the best healing results. Always remember that exercise is crucial in maintaining vitality and overall good health. Additionally, engaging in regular physical activity helps support optimal kidney function. Regular exercise enhances blood circulation, reduces stress on the kidneys, promotes better overall kidney health, and prevents potential complications. Some of the best exercises for improving kidney health and overall well-being include walking, jogging, and deep breathing exercises, all of which boost circulation and reduce stress. Some foods to avoid if you want to maintain a healthy kidney. Avoid processed meats such as hot dogs and bacon, as they contain harmful preservatives and excessive sodium that can strain kidney function and increase toxin buildup. Avoid too much protein from sources like red meat and dairy, as excessive intake can overwork the kidneys and contribute to waste accumulation in the bloodstream. Avoid excess salt and sugar in your diet. High sodium levels elevate blood pressure, and too much sugar increases the risk of diabetes, harming kidney health. Avoid soda and artificial sweeteners, as these beverages contain chemicals that can lead to kidney damage, increase acidity, and contribute to long-term renal dysfunction. Here are some proven strategies on how to manage stress for kidney health. Meditation and deep breathing exercises help reduce stress hormones that can damage the kidneys, promoting overall kidney health and well-being. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep are essential for kidney repair. A consistent sleep schedule enhances kidney detoxification, ensuring the body eliminates toxins effectively and maintains optimal kidney performance. It allows the body to restore and rejuvenate kidney function. Deep breathing techniques enhance oxygen circulation, helping the kidneys function more efficiently and reducing the risk of kidney-related complications. Regular meditation lowers blood pressure and improves emotional well-being, significantly reducing the strain on the kidneys and supporting long-term kidney health. You can support your kidneys and improve overall health by incorporating proper hydration, kidney-friendly foods, herbs, supplements, detox routines, exercise, meditation, and adequate sleep. We hope these remedies empower you to take charge of your overall well-being. Stay committed to your journey to better kidney health and experience lasting results. Embracing these natural solutions can lead to improved well-being and a healthier lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare professional before adopting any new treatment regimen, especially for severe health conditions. Once more, if you found this video helpful, please click the like icon, share the video, subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching. God bless you.